How to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. So go open your App Store first, since we need to make sure that the version of your Instagram app is up to date. In here, type Instagram and update if this open button says update. After updating, open the Instagram application. Click on the message icon on the upper right corner of your screen and choose the conversation where you want to see the first message. Once you're in the conversation, click on the user's username. This will take you to the details and settings of your conversation. This will show you the chat settings, notifications, and more actions. Under this is the search in conversation feature. So click on that, and as long as you remember a word from your first message, you can type in that word and go to that date and message. So that is how to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.